People, let me tell you about my best friend. He's a warm-hearted person who loved me till the end. People, let me tell you about my... So you may be wondering why I began this Chit Chat episode with a little review of the Jerry Mahoney lads that I own, and it's because we have a new Jerry Mahoney that's being welcomed to our family today. So courtesy of eBay, I was able to purchase this little guy, and I've got started already cutting open the box, and so we got to finish cutting it open, and let's just see what's in store. Always exciting to open a box with a new ventriloquist figure. Wrapped up like a mummy. I appreciate the care with which the seller took to wrap this little guy carefully. Of course, unboxing in the ventriloquist tradition is always very exciting to see who is going to be joining the family. All right. And getting a little closer here. You can see the green suit, the traditional Jerry Mahoney suit from Juro. Okay, we're ready to reveal. And we have a toy figure. And there he is. Looks like his cousins back here. His two cousins. Let's take a close look. Say hello, Jerry. See if his mouth works. Hello, hello. Yep, his mouth is a little bit loose, but looking pretty good. It's going to be a nice addition. He's got the polka dot bow tie, the red hair, and the green suit. He's a little bit different than the figures that are in the red jackets and the brown hair. Let me grab one. There we go. You can see side by side. They look very similar. Just different years when they were produced. That's going to do it for this episode of Chit Chat with Jerry Mahoney. We're going to give this little guy a nickname at some point. All of my Jerry Mahoneys have nicknames, so we can keep them all figured out separate. So I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Keep collecting. It's a lot of fun, even if they're toys. Can't have much more fun than this. All right, take care, and we'll see you next time on Chit Chat with Jerry Mahoney.